Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are tuning in. My name is Rachel Goldsworthy, and I am joined by Amanda and Andrew from Fone Fanatics. He's in the background. He's doing the technical things and the phone repairs and those sorts of things that he always has been doing. He won't be too far away, but he's a bit camera shy. But he's very good on the tools. But Fone Fanatics, how did it all start? Tell me about it.
So, coming to the Hawkesbury, we found that there was a niche in the business that it was muchly needed at the time. So, having experience, we decided to give it a go and open up our own shop. And here we are, almost 15 years later. Yeah. And, you know, we're just community-based and really thankful for the support of the community in the Hawkesbury. And we're doing it.
I know. And tell me, I mean, I went to the Business Awards on Friday night, accepted your award on your behalf because you're out doing community work as you always are and didn't get an opportunity to attend. So tell me a little bit about the business. What makes you turn up each day? What makes you want to do the phone repairs and spend the time together?
Working with my best friend every day is a positive.
How good's that? That's Andrew,
yes,
by the way.
That's my husband, Andrew. We are the A-team. Community. We're here for the community, just giving them the good, honest, reliable service, old school service that you just don't see in many stores these days, and just gaining the trust of the Hawkesbury and doing what we do. Yeah, is what we love. That's what makes us come every day, is to serve you guys, be here, to give you the information that you guys need, and that's what we love. It's just being a part of it.
They bring it every day. Like, honestly, I had my phone die last week. The battery was like, please save me, please save me. And yes, every real estate agent needs a phone. Absolutely. And I would come to no other place than Fone Fanatics. They are brilliant.
Thank you.
You've been nominated year after year after year for these business awards. This is amazing. Yeah. And I know the Business Awards didn't have the trophy on the night, but they are going to be to them, I believe.
Looking forward
to
getting
it. Thank you, Stacey. That will be good.
Thanks, Stacey.
It was a fun night, and it was a lot of people there from the community. But what is it about your business? Like, I know for me, you probably won't talk about it, so I'm going to talk about it. It's just too hard for Amanda to talk about because she has this business with Andrew. If you ring them, they will just say, hey, come in, we'll talk about it. Great. Yep. So I had my battery fixed. They had all sorts of things in regards to camera covers and any phone repairs. So anything that you don't know how to do, like there was a setting on my phone today, for example. I had no idea what was going on with it and why it wasn't working the way I wanted it to be working. And yet here we are, Andrew and Amanda. Bingo, it just fixed everything and everything's working perfectly now. So if anybody needs a phone or wants a phone repair, I should say, not a phone. Anybody wants a phone repair or anything to do with phones or accessories, where can they find you?
They can find us West Market Street, so we're underneath Anytime Fitness. The Hawkesbury likes to tell us we're under the old Samantha's. We didn't get to experience that one, unfortunately, but we are.
Could go either way with that comment.
We're under the old Samantha's. If you're a local, you'll know who that is. We know what we're talking about. We've got ample parking. We're here every day apart from Sunday, which is our only day off. Thursday nights we're here till 6 p.m. So if you do need anything, and we do answer calls even on Christmas Day, we take your calls.
Maybe by the pool, however.
We do take the calls, messages, or you can follow us on Facebook or Instagram, Fone Fanatics, and
I'm super proud of these guys. I mean, they did a wonderful job, and to take out the award this year, they've been finalists so many years, and winning! Totally proud of them both, and it's a family business too, because daughter comes into the office, and everybody, it's kind of like a family away from a family, actually. You can come into this office and have a bit of a chit chat, jibber jabber about anything and everything.
Absolutely.
Nothing's off the table, and that's what I like about it. And I think that's one of the reasons why you got into it as well, is spend more time with the family. Family's really important, as it is for everybody in the Hawkesbury, isn't it?
Yes, not everyone gets the opportunity to be able to work with their family. For us, the circumstances, we needed it at the time. And it has been enjoyable. I'm sure if you've been coming to our store since we opened in 2011, we had the baby gates with the girls running around. We still have the baby gates.
And the girls running around, but they're a bit bigger now. They're probably up here.
They will serve you if you come in. And we do feel really blessed in we're able to do that and work together. But it wouldn't be without the support of you guys just trusting us with your devices. And we do what we do. We love it. We love meeting you all. We've had our customers that would bring in their babies in 2011, their babies are now coming to us as young adults. Watching the community grow and us grow with them has been a real good blessing, and we're appreciative of it.
Isn't that good? It's making us all feel a bit older, isn't it? You get generations of family and friends
Absolutely.
and everybody that wants to, sell their house or buy an accessory for their phone or get their phone fixed because they've got children that they've got to have phone plans for and those sorts of things.
Absolutely. So, that's what we're here for.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, thank you so much for spending the time today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And I know that I met them way back in 2011 when they opened their office in George Street, because my business used to be in George Street as well.
Okay.
So many years ago. And then they moved to Richmond.
Yes.
So they're still very accessible in Richmond. I parked right out front, so very easy to get to. And phone number, if somebody wanted to get...
0412 403 482. Call us anytime. Google us. You'll see all our information that you need. We sell everything from phone cases to cables to headphones, watch covers, watch bands, screen protectors. That's part of our service. We do apply them for you.
For those sticky fingers that can't get them on the right way.
We've done quite a few. Pretty good at it.
I can imagine.
Anything you need, just basic information. That's what we're here for. Yeah.
And so if somebody wanted to improve their phone life by 2 millimetres or their accessory by 2 millimetres, what advice would you give them?
Oh, it's a tricky one. Their phone life. Using the correct chargers is always good. Charging them overnight is highly recommended. Don't take them off when you think it's at 100% because they're generally not. Our biggest one, I would have to say, is iPads. A lot of parents are using a 5-watt charging plug for the wall, which you would generally get with your iPhone.
Okay.
iPads take 10 watt or more, so we do find we're doing a lot of iPad batteries because they have depleted from incorrect charging.
Okay.
That is information we do share on our Facebook page. We try and give you
What's your Facebook page?
Fone Fanatics.
Okay.
You will see our bright yellow, black and white, I think it is, on Facebook.
Yeah, absolutely.
So just things like that, just improving the quality. And just come in for a free charge port clean.
Oh, love that.
We maintain your phone for you. We don't charge for a clean, so we will clean your speakers, your microphones, and of course your charging port, which does help.
And Andrew gave me a really good tip too, because I know he doesn't
smart.
He doesn't like the video, so
No,
we're just going to be his voice today. But he did give me a tip, and I might be setting this the wrong way. But when you get a new battery, make sure you do a full charge.
Yes.
You don't just go 5% like I did,
No.
because you have to get a new battery again.
Yeah.
Full charge again, and away we go. So overnight, as you said.
Overnight. Turn off personal hotspot. If you're not using it, turn it off. That also helps. There are so many tips I could give you.
Go and visit their Facebook page.
Come in and have a chat. Come and meet us if you haven't.
Absolutely.
We'd love to see you down here. And yes, of course, follow us, and we do share all our tips and tricks that help you out.
And we won't tell anyone what you're standing on for this interview.
Because I'm so short. Thanks, Rachel. I'm fun size.
5'3".
I'm on a stool.